Hello and welcome to another Burgess Hill Girls science experiment. Today I'm here with my helper Ellie and we're going to be bringing this rubber glove to life in a spooky experiment called Frankenstein's hat. For this spooky experiment you're going to need some vinegar, a rubber glove, a cup or beaker and some bicarbonate of soda. The first thing we're going to do is add some vinegar to our beaker. We don't need too much, just up to there. Ellie is going to add for me some bicarbonate of soda to our rubber glove. And we're going to give it a good shake to get that right down into the fingertips. Now I'm going to stretch the rubber glove over the top of our beaker. Ellie's going to give the fingers a good shake to get our reaction going. The bicarbonate of soda falls down into the vinegar, causing a reaction that releases carbon dioxide gas. Watch what happens as the bubbles of gas are released. Let go then, Ellie. Our glove has inflated. The hand has come to life. So to recap, add some vinegar to your beaker, pop the bicarbonate of soda into the glove, stretch the rubber glove over the top of the beaker, tip the fingers up, give them a shake, and watch your hand come to life.